Minar. Where is Qutub Minar located?
Ma'am, Delhi.
Delhi.
New
Delhi.
Delhi.
New Delhi. Delhi. Yes, same. All right. And he was a famous person like Ranveer Singh की movie नहीं देखी क्या तुमने? He's the same
Yes,
guy. He's the same guy. So please, these are famous things. You need to know these. Let's move to the next question. A little difficult one, but let's see. What were the synthesized features of mosques during the Sultanate period? Sultanate period. A. The dome is the prominent feature of the mosque in contrast to the Sikhar of Hindu temples. Arc is the prominent feature of the mosque in contrast to the shikhar of Hindu temples. Grand lines of arcs is the prominent feature of the mosque in contrast to the shikhar of Hindu temples. Calligraphy in front of the pillared hall is similar to the temple hall. Siddhartha Doshi. Can you answer this one?
Ma'am, I think first.
Why do you think the first one?
As we see, all Hindu temples has shikhar and mosque has domes. So I think.
Very good, very good, very good answer and very good observation skill that yes, prominent
ma'am.
feature of a mosque in contrast to temples will always be the domes. If you will see temples, they have that, they want to make it more high, and there's a flag on the bottom, but this ones have little domes, and then they put anything up. So the dome is the prominent feature of the mosque in the Sultanate period. Coming back to, we need to read about rock art period, Sultanate period, all these periods of architecture that happened. You have unlimited resources. It is all available everywhere, and trust me, this is not the time that we will spoon feed you, so make sure that you do this. All right, let's move to the next. Which two cities are additionally selected by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to be made as smart cities? This is a recent, July 2020 general awareness update of architecture and city planning. Which two cities are additionally selected by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs to be made as smart cities? Is it Leh and Kargil? Is it Ludhiana and Amritsar? It is Jaipur and Jodhpur, or Gangtok and Namchi? Twisha, what do you think the answer is?
Ma'am, I think B, Amritsar and Ludhiana.
No, that's not the correct answer. Semanti, would you like to answer? Anyone who knows the answer?
It's Jaipur and Jodhpur.
No.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Ma'am, option A.
Kargil.
अब तो बचा ही नहीं ना, तुमने तो सारे ऑप्शंस बोल दिए तीनों, तो the last one is that is left is A only. You need to remember.
Ma'am, option A.
Why Leh and Kargil? What happened in Leh and Kargil recently? It's a very big thing. What happened in Leh, Ladakh, Kashmir?
Ma'am, that act was removed and the person outside the Leh and can occupy a property over there.
Yes, so it became a city, from being union territories, or there's a new update which has come in, which was very famous about that article. So you need to go through these things. So the answer is Leh and Kargil. The Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs has formed a 5-member central team under Smart City Director Rahul Kapoor. The panel will formulate project reports for both the cities to improve infrastructure and employment opportunities in Ladakh. These cities have been selected in addition to the 100 smart city in different states. This idea was initially proposed by Home Affairs of Ministry. This is the recent, very common GK question for architecture. So please increase your general awareness. MCQ questions, 6 of them will come right of um like 10 marks each. What I forgot, 4 marks each.
10 marks each.
Questions,
10
10
marks,
marks.
16 and
60
17.
marks. 60 marks, right? 6 into 10, 60. That's 60 you should get. You should get that 60. That should be your forte. All right, let's move to the next. Where is the world's largest panoramic sculptural relief located? Where is the world's largest panoramic sculptural relief located? Kanchipuram, Madurai, Pondicherry, Mahabalipuram. Rajkumar, are you here in the class?
Mahabalipuram.
Rajkumar, are you here in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer, ये वाले का आंसर दो.
Ma'am, I think Pondicherry.
वो थिंक कहाँ से आता है? हाउ डू यू थिंक? आई वांट टू नो. पौंडीचेरी कैसे? ये इमेजेस कभी देखी नहीं है. एंड लिसन गाइस, मैं इमेज भेज रही हूँ. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल दैट नाटा विल शो यू द इमेज. It's I am putting images so that this becomes more creative class, but it's not sure. They will send you images for reference or they will not share. Then what will you do? The answer for this is Mahabalipuram. These are the biggest and the largest, sculptures which are present in the whole world. So please, panoramic sculpture, कभी phone में वो देखा है? Panorama view. Have you seen that in your phones?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So these are those, what is called latitudinal, sculptures which are made, and they are so long. Like, you should see the top view and the pictures of these on Google and see how beautifully it has been created. And it's present in India. It's the world's largest thing. These world's largest, world highest, 7 wonders, anything which is present in India, you need to learn that. So please read. All right, let's move to the next question. In which place in India can we find cave temples of 3 faiths?
Madurai.
In
Can I
which
answer?
place in India
No.
can we find
Ellora.
cave temples of
Ellora.
I'm Ellora.
Ellora.
The
Ellora.
people who said Ellora is the correct answer. Ajanta and Ellora caves is so famous. How can it be Madurai?
Yes.
Please, if you're guessing, then guess with the proper knowledge and eliminate the things. I started the class by saying famous personalities. It is famous personalities. So yes, Ellora caves are the caves which are made on 3 faiths. All right, and what does faith mean? With like Buddhism, Hinduism. So you need to research all these things. All right, let's move to the next question. Which foreign influence is seen in the rock cut architecture of India? Arabic, Persian, Indo-European, or Greek? And see, like I have shared an image with you, it's possible they will not share any images. So which foreign influence is seen in the rock cut architecture of India?
Indo-European.
It's
Greek.
Indo-European.
Persian. Greek.
Kavya, did you say Persian? Kavya?
Ma'am?
Persian, ma'am.
Kavya, which answer did you give?
Indo-European.
Wrong, that answer is wrong. What is Indo-European style? Can you define it? If you don't know what is Indo-European style, how can you give that as an answer? All right, who said Persian?
Me.
Me, ma'am.
I said.
I said B. Karthik has said B in the chat. And who is this I? A girl who's saying I. There's a girl who said I said. Who said I said?
Hemanti.
Semanti. Yes, Semanti, why do you think it is Persian?
Recently, I think I saw a video regarding this.
Oh, all right,
something.
all right. So
Maybe.
yes, Persian is the correct answer because in rock cut you will see these. So the left side is from Persia and right side is from India. So these kind of windows are inspired from the Persian architecture. That's the foreign influence that is there in the rock cut architecture which is used in India. It's Persian. Persian. Please remember. Please remember. All right. Let's move to the next question. I hope you all are writing these things down. Anyways, it will be shared, but please make notes. All right. The architecture of the city of Cochin in Kerala reflects the influence of what? The architecture of the city of Cochin in Kerala reflects the influence of what? The British, the Portuguese, the Dutch, or all of the above? D. Renuka, Kavya, Sakshi, Hema. Very good. These 4 people have given the right answer. It's all of the above. Is there anyone here from Cochin or Kerala in the class?
Me, ma'am.
Me. Who is this
Hello?
me? Can you tell me your name?
Renuka.
Renuka. Renuka, what are the famous things present in Cochin? Can you tell me a few names?
There is a Dutch palace.
And what else?
Dutch cemetery is there, ma'am. Dutch
Yes.
cemetery.
Yes, and what else is there famous in Cochin? I have been there to Cochin. That's why I'm asking you. What else is famous? Tell me. In your city.
Vasco da Gama church is there.
Yes, yes. So all these places is inspired from all of these influences, British, Portuguese, Dutch, through because of port and commercialization or because of business. So many people used to come to Cochin, and there was an influence of all this culture. If you will go there and you will visit that place, you will see these things up front. So the answer is all of the above: the British, the Portuguese, and the Dutch. All right. These are famous cities in a country. These are the tourist places. You need to know. Can anyone just tell me any UNESCO heritage site in India?
Chhatrapati Shivaji.
Mumbai's railway station, ma'am.
CST.
And what else?
Chhatrapati Shivaji.
MP of
Something
Karnataka.
which is something. I'm looking for an answer which has a place that has a dome. in it.
Golden
Taj Mahal.
Golden Temple is UNESCO site. I don't know. If it is, then light me up. I will also learn something from you. Is UNESCO site Golden Temple a UNESCO site?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Bodh Gaya.
Yes, it
And
is.
Sanchi Stoop, is it a UNESCO site?
Sanchi Stoop.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that was made a recent, UNESCO in the last year, I think. All right. The next question. Words inscribed on a tomb. The words which are inscribed on a tomb are called what? Epitome, epistle, epilogue, epitaph. Words
Epitaph.
inscribed on a tomb. I will see the
Epitaph words
chat.
inscribed on tombs.
Joylin, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Where did you study this, Joylin?
In school for English, one of the pros.
Very good, very good. So yes, epitaph is the correct answer. A phrase of or form of words written in memory of a person who has died, especially as an inscription on a tombstone, is called epitaph. Please keep this in mind because lot of tombstones and these things are made for famous people. It's Taj Mahal mein bhi kabr hai. So many places will have these things. All
क्या
right.
बोलते थे?
क्या हुआ राजकुमार, कोई दिक्कत? नहीं तो फिर म्यूट कर लो
No.
खुद को. Ma'am, yes, someone is saying ma'am. What? मैं भी ऐसे रैंडमली तुम लोग के नाम ले लूंगी. साक्षी, Sukriti, I will take these names randomly and I'll be silent. All right. Let's move to the next question. What color cannot be made by mixing any other color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow, ma'am. Yellow.
Yellow.
Masa आया?
Blue.
Easy question मिला. It was so easy. It is a yellow. And why yellow cannot be,
It's a primary color.
Primary
Primary color.
and it is an additive method or a subtractive color method?
Adjective,
An additive method.
And in subtractive color method, what is it called? What are the primary colors in subtractive color method?
Blue.
Green.
CMYK.
CMYK. Very good.
CM
Very
by K.
good. Very good. In additive color method, the primary color is RGB.
RGB.
Yes. Please mute yourself, guys. My voice is repeating. All right. So in additive color method,
Gray can also not make by mixing.
cannot be made by mixing any other color. Yellow. It's a primary color, na? Primary colors are naturally present, like you cannot derive them from somewhere. It's an additive color method. CMYK, when later on people started using printing as a profession, it became CMYK because that's a subtractive color method. All right. And all the colors together make which color on a color wheel?
White.
White.
White light, yes. And a quick question, like who was the founder or whatever it's
Isaac
called?
Newton.
Who invented
Newton.
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton.
Yes, in 17th century, he's the person who discovered color wheel. 16, 17, yeah, 17 starting, 17 and yeah. So, yes. And yellow is the color. All right. How many colors are on the basic color wheel? 3 primary, 3 secondary colors, 3 cool and 3 warm colors, 3 pairs of complementary colors, or all of the above?
All of the above.
All of the above.
Anyone else who is saying something else?
3 and 3 secondary.
Option
Anyone
A.
else who has a different answer?
Ma'am, option A can be.
Ma'am, option A.
ऑप्शन ए क्यों? कलर व्हील में कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एनालॉगस वार्म कूल कलर्स नहीं होते?
Ma'am,
If
but
only
there are
three-
more than 3 complementary colors.
There are more than 3 complementary
More
colors.
than
More
three
than
complementary
But that is not the option, na? That is not the option में लिखा है more than 3. No, that means all the above. All the above is present.